I put $1,000 into the stock market as a joke and forgot about it. What happened next still doesn't feel real. It was 2019. I was 24, broke, and living paycheck to paycheck in Toronto. A buddy at work kept ranting about compound interest and how $1,000 now could be 10K later. I laughed. But one night I gave in. Downloaded an app, tossed in $1,000. No clue what I was doing. Just picked a company I liked the name of. Then forgot it even existed. A year later, I lost my job. Rent was overdue. Credit cards maxed. Anxiety through the roof. That's when I checked the app, out of desperation more than hope. My $1,000. It was now $5,422.71. I stared at the screen, mouth dry, heart pounding. Wait, this was real? But the craziest part, that wasn't the biggest lesson. The money was great. But what changed my life wasn't the cash. It was the mindset shift. I realized money grows when you're not watching. Investing doesn't require you to be rich. You invest to get there. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. I stopped thinking, I can't afford to invest, and started asking, can I afford not to? I got obsessed. Learned about ETFs, index funds, dollar cost averaging. I started setting aside $50 here, $100 there, even during tough months. I wasn't chasing fast money. I was planting financial seeds. And now, 5 years later, that joke investment? It was the moment I accidentally started building wealth. I used to think investing was for rich people. Turns out, it's how regular people become rich. That $1,000 didn't solve everything. But it gave me a glimpse of something bigger. Freedom, peace, options. And it all started with one dumb random click. If you've been waiting for the right time to invest, this is your sign. Don't wait until you're desperate to start. Start small, start scared, just start. Like if you've ever hesitated to invest. Comment, I'm planting my seed. If you're starting now, and subscribe for more real stories that turn everyday struggles into wealth wisdom.